Firstly, we need to read how many rows and cuts by our eyes, then we can measure the row position with calipers. Take the key in video as example. There are 2 rows, row 1 position is 310, row 2 position is 610. It needs dimple decoder and dimple cutter to duplicate this type of keys. Click Trace Duplication, Dimple Key, in Program. Fix the key well on S1B as shown in the figure, tighten the jaw, reference key is a tip alignment. Click Tip option in Program, input 6 for number option and 2 for row count option. Click Key Positioning, machine will detect the key position to know where the key blade is. Click Row Position and input 310 for row 1, check row 2 and input 610. Click Automatically Decode, the machine will read the biddings automatically. After decoding, replace a new key blade to S1B, fix the new blade well and tighten the jaw. Click Cut to start cutting. After cutting, clean shavings on the jaw and test it in cylinder. It supports to import the key data from trace duplication to custom key. Click Save Data and name it. Click the export shape icon and finished. Back to home page and click Custom Key, we will find the key profile we just saved.